Staying active reduces your odds of several cancers, from colon to pancreatic to prostate. Breast cancer rates are about 1/3 lower in women who exercise regularly. Hi, I'm Dr. Vonda Wright with some exercise motivation to get you off the couch. You know, exercise is good for you, but it seems like a lot of work. You're not so sure it'll pay off, right? Wrong. Here are some answers to common workout questions. Hopefully they'll motivate you to move. Will working out make you so hungry you'll eat more calories than you burn? Nope. It's actually the opposite. Research shows that exercise can make you feel fuller, eat less, and lose more weight. Can exercise actually help prevent cancer and other illnesses? You bet. Staying active reduces your odds of several cancers, from colon to pancreatic to prostate. Breast cancer rates are about 1/3 lower in women who exercise regularly. Does exercise help you avoid anything else? Yes. There are a number of conditions you can save yourself from by working out, including heart disease, diabetes, osteoporosis, and obesity. Is it too late to start? Never. The minute you get moving, your body starts to benefit. So get out there.